Good day, everyone. Today, I want to talk about a topic that affects countless lives around the world: drug addiction. We'll explore how to overcome this challenging condition and offer hope to those who may be struggling. Remember, recovery is possible, and you are not alone on this journey. First, it's essential to understand that addiction is a complex brain disease, and it can happen to anyone. The power of drugs can take hold of a person's life, leading to physical and psychological dependency. Addiction is not a sign of weakness, but rather a condition that requires attention and support. The first step in overcoming drug addiction is to acknowledge the problem and seek help. Reach out to a healthcare professional, therapist, or a support group. It's crucial to remember that seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. You don't have to go through this journey alone. Once you've sought help, there are various treatment options available to assist you in your recovery. These may include 1. Detoxification. Under medical supervision, your body is gradually weaned off the substance. 2. Therapy. Both individual and group therapy can help you address the underlying issues contributing to addiction. 3. Medications. In some cases, prescribed medications can assist in reducing cravings and withdrawal symptoms. 4. Support groups. Joining support groups like Narcotics Anonymous can provide a sense of community and shared experiences. Overcoming addiction is not just about quitting drugs. It's about learning how to cope with life's challenges without turning to substances. Some strategies to consider include: 1. Identify triggers. Recognize the situations, emotions, or people that make you more susceptible to using drugs. 2. Build a support network. Surround yourself with friends and family who are supportive of your recovery. 3. Healthy lifestyle. Exercise, a balanced diet, and proper sleep can significantly impact your well-being. 4. Mindfulness and meditation. These practices can help you stay present and manage stress. Relapse is a part of many people's journeys to recovery. If it happens, don't lose hope. It's a setback, not a failure. Develop a relapse prevention plan with your treatment team, and remember that it's a process. Keep moving forward, one step at a time. It's essential to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Each day sober is a victory. By acknowledging your progress, you'll build confidence in your ability to overcome addiction. In closing, I want to emphasize that overcoming drug addiction is possible. It may be a challenging journey, but with the right support, determination, and a positive mindset, you can break free from the chains of addiction. Remember, there's hope, and you have the strength within you to reclaim your life. Never give up, because a brighter, drug-free future is waiting for you. Subscribe to Data Nest for more videos like this.